Hi, 안녕하세요. This is Thomas입니다. Today in Korea, it's over than 35 degrees, and last week was a rainy season, so it was so hot and humid. I thought about something that is super easy and be suitable for summer. In Korea, when we go to sports day or lots of people are gathered, we make this. Because it's so easy and practical. Most of people use watermelon and they dig in the half of it to use like a bowl. But I don't like watermelon, so I use the melon. If you don't have a fruit cocktail and you have some more fruits, you can have with it as well. Any fruit. Actually, in Korea we have a drink called milkis, which is Sprite plus milk. So we just use Sprite and milkis. When you're making this, it can look tasteless, but don't hesitate making this. It's so easy and delicious.